Hi, welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel I do upload sewing tutorials and pattern drafting once a week or twice a week. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do hit the red button and the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload. And in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to cut and sew a palazzo pant. Please do have patience to watch to the end of the video. You will get it all. Let's start. This is the front pattern and this is the back pattern. In our previous class, I just draft and cut the palazzo pant. Now I'm going to put it a pocket, a side pocket, and it's going to be at the front pattern. Now at the front pattern, we are going to take at the waistline, we are going to take 2 inches inward and 7 inches down. 2 inches length and 7 inches depth. This is the 2 inches here. They are going to take 7 inches down this way. If you like, you can use your free hand to give it a pocket cuff. Just give it that pocket cuff. Then we are going to cut it out. That's our pocket. Now we are going to place on our fabric. This is the fabric that we are going to use. It's sort of a stretchy material, not Ankara, sort of a stretchy material, like a very light scuba material. Now I'm going to place it on the fabric and cut. For the front pattern, I'm going to place the front pattern this way. You adjust in order not to waste material. I'm going to place it this way and cut. This for the back pattern, this for the back side of the pants, and this is the front side, and this is the front side of the pants. You cut it into 2 also. Now I went ahead to cut the band. This is the waistband, which I left 1 inch for waistband, but in the waistband I cut 2 inches, half inches on both sides for joining. Then I went ahead and cut the pocket. I have my video on how to cut a pocket. Do check my video on how to cut and sew a female pant. Now, how to join the pocket is, in that video, I also show how to join a pocket. Join it this way. Then you fold it in this way before you join it to the other pants. I will go to the machine and join it now. I'll come and show you how it is. Okay, I've done attaching the pockets this way. This is the pocket. Now I'm going to show you how to stitch it. Now you bring the 2 sides. Okay, we are going to attach it this way. This is the front pattern. The 2 sides, this is the cross line. Then the 2 cross line of the front pattern, you join them together. Let me use pin and hold them together so that I will be able to explain it more better. This for the front side, which is this way. After joining it in that side, then the same thing goes with the back side. This is the cross line. This is the cross line here. Going to join it together this way. Use pin and hold it. That's how we are going to sew it in the machine. Then since I want it to be a fitted palazzo, we're also going ahead to sew the darts. Let me go to the machine and join it, and I'll come and show you how it looks. Okay, after joining the front and the back front side this way, this is the back side, you join it, the two pieces together. This is the front side, you join the two pieces together. Now we are going to join both the front and the back together in order to form our palazzo pant. Now we are going to join it here. I prefer opening the stitches this way, the allowance I use in stitching it, then jam it, making sure that the two center line are aligned together. Then I use my pin to secure it properly. Then from the down part coming to the up, I join both these together to make sure that it's aligned properly. Because it's a palazzo pant, after the normal pant size, I added 2 inches because I want it to flow. Even though you want to use a high heel on it, it will also fit, because palazzo pants normally fit with high heels. Also locate this part. This is the down part. Join it together this way. Secure it with pins. Look for this one this way. For the down part, join it together this way. Use pin to hold it. This way. Making sure that everything aligns properly. This is how we secure it. Now, I'll go to the machine to join it this way. And after joining it this way, before joining, when I go to the machine, I will start from this side, sew to the end, to the hemming part. Also come back to this side, sew to the hemming part. Before here, I will join it this way. You know, the normal allowance that we took earlier is 1 inch. But here, to join here, you either take ½ inch or 1 inch. But since it's a palazzo pant, you take ½ inch at the inner part. Then this side, the outer side, the outseam, you take 1 inch. That's how I'm going to join it now. Let me get to the machine and join it. Okay, this is the end of our palazzo pants. You see how free it is here. Very free. And I went ahead to hem the down. I used 2 inches. I fold 1 in. I use 1 to turn it up. This is the end. This is the pocket. The pocket is at the front. This is the joining here. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that I notify whenever I upload. Please do like and share, it's all free, and I would like to see your comments in the comment section below. Thank you all and God bless you. Bye.